Hello students. So today we are going to start your next chapter. Okay. In our last video we have done the chapter number 12, that is air and water. Today we are going to start chapter number 13, that is the name of the chapter is weather. So all of you take out your book 7 and take out page number 10 of book 7. Okay. So now let's start. The name of the chapter is weather. Okay. Weather at a given time and place tells us about how hot, cold or wet the air is and how fast it is moving. It also tells us about rainfall, snowfall, etc. at that place. So weather, what? It tells us how hot, cold or wet the air is and how fast it is moving. Okay, by the help of weather report we can find out about the climate, that is today it will rain, or today the weather will be hot, today it will be cold. We can find out with the help of weather report. So it tells us about that particular weather, means weather tells us that it will rain or there will be snowfall, whatever. The weather of a place keeps changing from day to day. It can even change many times in a single day. So the weather of a place, it keeps on changing. Each day the weather keeps on changing. Sometimes in a single day it change several times. Suppose in the morning it will rain, again in the afternoon it will be cloudy, in the evening the weather will be good. Okay, it keeps on changing. Weather can be hot or cold. It can also be rainy, cloudy or windy. So weather, it can be hot also, it can be cold also, it can be rainy, it can be cloudy, it can be windy. We will not get any fixed weather. Weather, it keeps on changing. It keeps on varying. Okay. Next we will start our next topic, that is seasons. When the same kind of weather condition continues for a long period of time, it is called a season. We have different seasons in a year. In India, we have 5 seasons in a year. So, when a same kind of weather, it continues for a long time, that weather condition is called season. Like now, every day we are getting cold weather. The weather is cold. So cold weather we are getting for a long period of time. It is known as winter season. Weather remains for a single day or 2-3 days or more. But season, it remains for a long time. So we have different seasons. In a year we are getting different seasons. And India, we have 5 seasons in a year. So the first season is summer season. In summer, it is very hot. Summer seasons are very hot. Okay. Some pictures are given. Here you see. Prachi is sweating a lot. All the human beings, we sweat a lot during summer. Okay. It's full of sweating. Sumant is wearing loose cotton clothes. In summer, generally, we prefer to wear loose cotton clothes so that we can feel less hot. Arav is feeling like drinking more and more water, and we feel very thirsty during summer. Okay, that's why you should drink more and more water. Ruchi loves summer because she gets to eat mangoes. Mangoes and watermelons are summer fruits. So mangoes and watermelon we generally get in summer. During winter we will not get this type of fruits. These are seasonal fruits. Okay. So our next topic is rainy season. After the hot summer comes the rainy season. It is also called the monsoon season. So after summer, which season comes? Rainy season. And rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Divya is going to the market. She is wearing a raincoat as it is raining outside. So during rainy season, when people will go to market, either they will carry umbrella or they will wear raincoat. So Divya, she is going to market, and as it's raining outside, she is wearing a raincoat. Next, some people are carrying umbrellas, whereas some people are carrying umbrellas with them. Whenever during rainy season you also go to school, you are also carrying umbrellas with you, or you are wearing raincoats. Some people are standing below a tree to avoid getting wet. So they are not carrying umbrellas. So suddenly it started raining. That's why they are standing under a tree to protect them. Next, the rain fills up the dried lakes, ponds, rivers, and other water sources. So in our last chapter also we have got that rainwater fills up the river, lakes. It is a main source of water. So when it rains, it fills up the lakes, ponds, rivers, and whatever other sources are there. So it's the main source of water. So after rainy season, it comes autumn season. After the monsoon comes the autumn season. It is neither too hot nor too cold. So after monsoon, autumn season comes, and autumn seasons are neither too hot nor too cold. The leaves on the trees have become yellow and dry. They are falling down from the trees. You see all the color the leaves, it becomes yellow in color, and they become very dry, and they started falling from the trees. Preet is helping his father in clearing the garden. So Preet is helping his father in cleaning the garden. His father told him that the autumn season is also known as the fall. So autumn season is also known as fall. Why? Because in autumn season all the leaves become dry and it falls down. So next come winter season. In winter the weather becomes too cold. Some places even get snowfall. So winter, it is the coldest season. Some places even they get snowfall like Kashmir. Then all the hill stations, Himachal Pradesh. So these places they get snowfall also. Rishi is wearing woolen clothes. So during winter, what type of clothes we wear? We wear woolen clothes. So Rishi, he is wearing woolen clothes. Sneha is looking out of the window at the falling snow. So as snow is falling outside, Sneha is enjoying snowfall through the window. People are sitting around the bonfire to keep themselves warm. So they all are enjoying bonfire to keep themselves warm. Okay, winter, it is the coldest season. So the last season comes the spring season. After winter we get spring. After the winter comes the spring. This season, like the autumn, is also neither hot nor cold. The flowers are in full bloom all around. New leaves grow on the trees. The breeze becomes gentle and soft. So after winter comes the spring season. Same like autumn, it is also neither too hot nor too cold. And the flowers are in full bloom. Wherever you will see, you see the flowers are grown everywhere. Okay, very colorful. It's a very colorful season. New leaves grow on this season, and the breeze become very slow and gentle. Okay, so these all are the 5 seasons we get in our country. Okay, so hope the chapter is clear to you. Go through this video one more time and it will clear. Okay, and read the chapter properly. All right, so next day we will start another chapter. Okay, thank you and take care.